This program is supposed to read a set of strings into the rows of a two-dimensional character array and then print the string which comes first in the alphabetical order. We have included stdio.h, string.h, header files. A 2D character array X is declared and the variables I, id, n are declared as integers. The printf statement asks the user to enter how many strings he is going to enter. The same read into the variable n. The for loop will read the strings into the 2D character array. The theme behind this program is as follows. First, we take the first string is a one which comes first in the alphabetical order. Thus, its index is stored in the variable id. Then onwards, we'll take a string at a time and compare with the strings x of id. If the new string comes first in the alphabetical order compared to x of id, then that string index will be stored in the variable id. Like that, once the for loop is over, the id contains the string index which comes first in the alphabetical order. The last printf statement will print the string which comes first in the alphabetical order. Let us consider the 2D character array is having Ram, Anuj, Abhi, Anurag, Akrut and Teja. The following slides simulates how to find the string which comes first in the alphabetical order. Initially, I value will be taken as 1, while id value is taken as 0. We wanted always the variable id should contain the index of the string which comes first in the alphabetical order. Is I less than n? Yes. The if condition is tested. Currently x of id, the string Ram. X of I, Anuj. The strcmp function returns a positive number as Anuj comes first in the alphabetical order, that is, second string comes first in the alphabetical order. Thus, the if condition becomes true. Thus, I value, that is 1, is assigned to id. I value will be incremented by 1. Is I less than n? Yes. Currently, I value is 2, id value is 1. X of id, that is Anuj. X of I, Abhi. The strcmp function thus returns a positive number as x of I, that is Abhi, that is the second string, comes first in the alphabetical order compared to Anuj. Thus, the if condition becomes true. Thus, id value becomes 2. I value will be incremented by 1. Is I less than n? Yes. If condition will be tested now. Currently, x of id, that is Abhi, x of I, Anurag. This function strcmp returns a negative number as Abhi comes first in the alphabetical order. Thus, id value will not change. I value will be incremented by 1. Is I less than n? Yes. The if condition will be executed. Currently, id value is 2. That is, x of id, Abhi, is the string which comes first in the alphabetical order till now. I value is 4. That is Akrut. Now the strcmp function returns a positive number as Akrut comes first in the alphabetical order. Thus the if condition becomes true. Thus I value 4 is assigned to id. I value will be incremented by 1. Is I less than n? Yes. The if condition becomes false. Currently id is 4. That is x of id Akrut, x of I Teja. As Teja comes next compared to Akrut in alphabetical order, the strcmp function returns a negative number. Thus the if condition becomes false. Thus id value will not be updated. I value will be incremented by 1. Is I less than n? No. By this time we have processed all the strings. The id value became 4, which is the index of the string Akrut. That is the one which comes first in the alphabetical order compared to all the strings. Thus id becomes 4. The last printf statement will print x of id, that is Akrut will be printed on the screen. This program is supposed to read